we are going to a fall which is nearby our place. It is, I think, almost like 10 to 15 kilometers from here. Actually, from 5 to 6 days it is raining here and we were not able to go anywhere. Today, a bit sunny. So let's go. Come.
Let's go.
We have arrived at the Thiruparappu waterfalls, and the first thing that strikes us is the sheer grandeur of the place. The pathway is surrounded by so many shops, adding to the mystical ambience. As we get nearer, we can feel the refreshing mist on our skin, rejuvenating our spirits. We bought the tickets to the falls and for boating. So first we will be going to the falls, then later from there we need to walk almost like 10 to 15 minutes to go for boating. The waterfall at this place is about 13 km from Pechiparai Dam. The riverbed is rocky and about 300 feet in length. The water falls from a height of nearly 50 feet and the water flows for about 7 months in a year. inside the water. So this falls is called Thiruparappu Falls. It is from Trivandrum, actually it is 48 kilometers, and from Kanyakumari I think some 50 to 55 kilometers distance. Oh, it's so nice. This is the dress changing room. One of the highlights of visiting Thiruparappu waterfalls is the opportunity to take a refreshing dip in the natural pool formed at the base of the falls. The water is cool and invigorating, offering a respite from the heat. It's an exhilarating experience and a perfect way to connect with nature. And there it is. As we walk a little further, the sound of rushing water becomes more prominent. The sight is absolutely mesmerizing as water cascades down the rocky cliffs, creating a spectacle of nature's grandeur. The view is simply awe-inspiring. The water plunges down with tremendous force, creating a magnificent display of mist and spray. It is hard to capture the sheer scale and beauty of this natural wonder in words or even on camera. Apart from the majestic waterfall, the surrounding hills are equally enchanting. Lush green vegetation blankets the area, providing a serene backdrop for visitors to immerse themselves in nature's embrace. We can't help but feel a sense of tranquility in this serene environment. The district administration has constructed a swimming pool for children over here, which is very popular among the children. The children have changed the attire. Leaving behind the majestic waterfall, we make our way to the starting point of our boating adventure. The adrenaline from the cascading water still courses through our veins as we eagerly anticipate the upcoming thrill of the boat ride. Crossing the bridge allows us to immerse ourselves further in the embrace of nature. The gentle breeze carries the sense of wildflowers and the earthy aroma of the river. The symphony of birdsong and the rustle of leaves create a sensory experience that connects us to the natural world. The bridge becomes more than just a means of crossing, it becomes a symbol of the connection between nature and human endeavor. So we are in the middle of the bridge and treated to a panoramic view. The sight is a feast for our eyes, showcasing the raw beauty of this pristine location. Finally, we step foot on the other side of the bridge, ready to explore new wonders. We are about to take off on an exhilarating boating journey. We are suited up with life jackets and ready to explore this enchanting landscape from a whole new angle. The excitement is palpable.
चल रहा था अकेला लेकिन तू दिखा और गेम इसने भी खेला अब तो ख्वाब तेरे ये देखे थोड़ा रिस्क लेके तुझ पे डोरे भी फेंके सुन 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 जरा तू इसकी धुन जरा तू कब से होप लेके तेरे डोर पे खड़ा दिल तेरे इश्क में पड़ा दिल छोटे पैक में बड़ा 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 दिल कहे रात दिन ये सोचता है, फीलिंग है ये क्या। देखता तुझे, सोचता तुझे, पर जो आए सामने तू रहता डरा डरा। सुन 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 जरा तू, मैटर कुछ बढ़ा तू, कुछ तो तू भी कह दे, है फ्लोर पे पड़ा दिल। शर्म से शर्म से शर्म से गड़ा दिल, छोटे पैक में बड़ा 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 दिल। सामने है तू, सामने हूँ मैं, क्या पता किस बात का फिर तुझको वेट है, तू ही बोल दे।
And off we go. As we pedal, the boat picks up speed and we glide over the sparkling waters, leaving behind a trail of excitement.
और जो प्लान ना हो,
Look up. The view is not just a treat for the eyes but also a haven for numerous bird species. From melodious songbirds to graceful waterfall, the area is alive with sounds of chirping and fluttering wings. Nature's orchestra plays a soothing melody, captivating our hearts. As we gaze at the tranquil waters, we can't help but feel a sense of connection to something greater than ourselves. Nature teaches us the importance of slowing down, finding solace in nature, and embracing the beauty around us. Mother Nature reveals her secrets to those who take the time to look. It's these unexpected discoveries that make every step along the river an adventure in itself. As our boat ride comes to an end, we can't help but wear smiles of pure joy on our faces. The adventure has left us with a renewed appreciation for nature's power and beauty. The boating experience is truly a one-of-a-kind adventure.
बंदा मैं तेरा, you be my chamiya, दिल तू ही मेरा, तू ही my chamiya,
मुझको पकाना,
I'm not your chamiya,
ना तेरी होनी है,
naughty na chamiya, बंदा मैं तेरा, you be my chamiya, दिल तू ही मेरा, तू ही my chamiya,
मुझको पकाना,
I'm not your chamiya,
ना तेरी होनी है,
naughty na chamiya.
बुला के जहाँ मेरे
We have found the perfect spot to have our lunch. The serene sounds of the flowing water provide a calming soundtrack as we prepare to enjoy our meal. Fish is there, egg is there, carrot is there, then rice and dal. So we are going to enjoy this meal sitting in this beautiful place. Just see, it's so beautiful. So we are going to sit and enjoy our lunch now at 4 o'clock. As our incredible journey comes to an end, we leave this fall with hearts full of wonder and gratitude. This hidden gem has left an indelible mark on our souls, reminding us of the incredible beauty that nature has to offer. Until next time, keep exploring and cherishing the wonders of our planet. This is Kavita signing off. Bye. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon so that you don't miss any of my future videos.
Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.
Bye bye.